Hi, my name is Bill Pfister. I've been a customer and a friend and a landlord of Steve at Parker 4x4 for over 12 years. It's been a pleasure working with them, not only as a landlord, but as a consultant. Steve is very customer orientated and he's very detail orientated, both him and his employees. As a customer of Parker 4x4, everything that he says he's going to do, he does it at first class. And also, it is done well. And I don't have to worry about, once I pick up my vehicle, I don't have to worry about that problem ever again. I've had my 4x4 trucks modified with lift kits and tires and wheels. I know when I bring it in that I don't have to say, this has happened, that has happened. I know when it's priced out as such. And when I come to pick it up, it's everything above what I've asked for or anticipated. So it's a real pleasure doing business with them. And looking back at all the finished products, I'd give them the very highest of recommendations because the work and the detailed work that he does meets by far my expectations.